Ben from Tomy 1999. This model train is in need of some repair. Can you hear that? Pretty loud. Alright, let's begin. First remove the top, the battery, clean, in need of some repainting, almost all the way around. Screws out, and now we proceed to remove the gearbox out of the chassis. It's held by this screw. It's gonna need some cleaning, actually a lot of the dusting. Alright, we put the battery back, and as you can hear, this motor is loud. Alright, let's remove the screws out. We access them all. Okay, it needs a lot of cleaning. Maybe it just needs some lube. After a very quick inspection, I noticed that these cogs are really dry. Maybe that's the problem. Well, there it is working. At least it's a little bit much better. So we need to do some touch up. Use oil-based marker, any brand. Oil-based markers. It's missing a lot of paint. Looking good. Look at this. Much better. Compare this side to the other side. It needs repaint. Has been repainted. Needs repaint. Has been repainted. Remember that scene from looking really good. This Emily is kind of loud. It needs a new coil. I can hear it's noisy, and the problem is in the motor, so it needs a. But let me show you something. Looks like the previous owner tried to fix it or something, because this nut should be inside there. Alright, screws have been removed. I need to access the gearbox and remove that specific cog that I mentioned before. It's located in the motor. Everything has been dismantled, and this is the problem. It came off really easy. I got my spare parts here. If you wonder what lube I use, is this Super Lube multi-purpose synthetic grease. You can find it on Amazon. Nice, very quiet, excellent. That's good, good, good. Done with Emily. Sorry guys, it's kind of noisy outside, so you're gonna hear this. For some reason, Gordon does not want to work. I don't know if there's a broken wire or no, so let's find out. So when this happens, sometimes you just need like a 3 volts pack, and it works. Now let's try with the battery. Yep, that was the problem. Easy fix. Great. Yep, it's not the original, it's a copy that I made. Good for Gordon and James. That's better than nothing. You know what? I'm gonna give a little touch up to this Gordon with this oil-based marker. Red looks good. Now I need some yellow. How about now? Good. Yeah, I found this that I fixed it a long time ago. I forgot that I fixed it. It's a molly. I put a spring-loaded spring battery terminal and replace the. Actually, I replaced the coil that was noisy. This one is in terrible condition. I'm talking about the inside. The exterior, it's okay. Look at that. I'm thinking to put one of these things, spring battery terminal. Look at that. For this kind of gearbox, we need to be very careful. If you don't know how these motors go, look at this. There is a lot of cogs that if you put them upside down, they will never work. At least the motor works. The first thing I gotta do is I need to remove from the motor too much corrosion. Alright, we are ready to assemble. The motor is ready, but look at this, too much hair. Okay. Fix it.